Welcome back, guys. Thank you to everyone who just support me to reach 1K subscriber. And today I'm going to send another thank you to my followers who just again support me until I reach 4K and 500 for subscriber and 1 million viewers. Amazing. I don't know what can I say. I'm so happy, guys. Imagine is within 3 to 4 days I get 1 million viewers and 4K subscriber. Appreciate all of you guys who just support me until I reach there. And I'm going to tell you guys, the time I was starting YouTube, I was having another account. This is my second account. The first account I was having, I got 8,700 subscribers to that account, but there was some issue to that account. That's why I changed to this one. I create this one and I start uploading video. The time I was starting uploading video, I was keep thinking myself like, can I get the 8,000 I was expecting to get to that channel and I will get the same on here, or what's going to happen? But I'm so happy to the first people that start subscribing my channel, especially Maisie. She's the one who support me, and the journey of my life. Those two people, they push my channel until I get 1,000 subscriber. From there, guys, I try to just push myself from side to side, and within 4 days to 3 days I get 4,000 subscriber. 2 days I get 2,000 subscriber. Each day 1,000 something. And today I'm talking to you guys, I get 4,500 subscriber and 1 million viewers. You are going to ask, how did I do to get that while I didn't have that? First, guys, you have to be patient on this street. Don't think like you will come today and within today you are going to get your first 1,000, or you are going to get 10,000 or 20,000. You have to get time for that, because if you rush and say like, I'm going to start making money tomorrow, you are not going to make money, and you will leave YouTube without not even getting 1 cent on it. You have to be patient, take your time, try to support people. The first thing is support people. I myself now, I was supporting people before and still anyone who come to my live stream. I pin his channel and I tell people, guys, support this person. He's a new YouTuber. We are all new YouTubers, so we need to support ourselves. And on that time, people, they'll start changing subscriber and go and support that person to watch his channel. And after, when I end the live stream, the person, he just write to my comment like, thank you very much, you support me, I reached this subscriber, and I see a lot of people, they visit my channel because of you. So that's how we can support each other, and we start getting all those. Because I myself, the first 1,000 I get from the journey of my life and Maisie. These two ladies, they support me, and I will keep remember them. And I don't know when am I going to stop to measure their names. So I will keep saying all the times. And if I could have a power and I could own the area I live in, I could make like a tower to show people like how important they are to my life. These two people, what they did to me. The journey of my life, she's the one who showed me mercy, and tell her that this is my brother, support him. The good thing is she listened and she started supporting me too, and I get my first 1,000. So if you want me my support, don't hesitate, just to come to my live stream and on live. Write to me, Diamond Shot, please support me. I'm a small YouTuber. Support me, to pin my comment here, tell people to follow me. I'll support you, because that is how people they support me, and my duty today is to support other people to get the what I was looking for. If you are looking for watching hour, then you can just come and ask me. I can just play your video. What I remember, when I was going to Maisie to start going to her live stream, I was having few subscribers, but I get 1,000. What about my watching hour? My watching hour was very nearly 600, 500. But now, how much I get? I get 11,000, nearly to 12,000 watching hour. Nearly to all of 1,000 to 13,000 watching hour, guys. So it's good to appreciate anyone who's going to support you. Don't become the person who supports you today and tomorrow you say like, I don't know him. Don't say I don't know him. And I always say in myself, like, if I support someone, I don't need appreciation from him if to say like thank you or this. As long as I did as a humanity, that's it. If you say thank you, no problem. If you didn't say, no problem. For my side, I don't have problem to anyone, and I will keep supporting. And the time I'm going to do my setting, and I will just do another video about my monetization again. Then I will just create membership. I'll create another things. Anyone who want to donate me to support other people, we start doing like fundraising. If my member people, they connect with me, they are ready to do with me, I'm gonna do it. If you are not ready, guys, also I'm not going to do it, because for me, I can't say like I want to do whatever I like myself. No, I have to ask you, whatever you need, is that what I need to. If you say, bro, we don't want this, stop, then I'm going to stop. As long as I know this is going to help me and it's going to help you, I will stop. But if you tell me as a negative, like you, something like that, you are saying like don't do it, but your aim is something different, then I'm not going to stop to do. I will do it. But if you are telling me that thing and it makes sense, and other people they show the same way you are telling me, then we go ahead and we stop. So guys, I appreciate for you guys who just support me until I get 1 million viewers and 4,500 subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. There was more video coming, and I will keep teaching you guys. Anyone who's ready to learn anything from my side, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell, ask your question. You can follow me in my Instagram, you can follow me in my Snapchat, on my TikTok. I got all those platforms on my description videos. Any video you go, you are going to see that. So leave your feedback, tell me what you want to me, then I will just try to help you. Let us build our community, and I'm ready to welcome anyone. As long as you are a YouTuber, you need my support, I'm here to support you. If you got any question, feel free to ask me. I will answer to you. How I get that 1 million, how I get 4,000 subscribers for few days, nearly 1 month, I get all these things. So I'm going to tell you, and you are going to make and getting even more than that. I'm free to tell everyone, because I'm not going to charge you. I'm not going to tell you to pay me. So as long as you asking me, then I will tell you. So thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.